Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can schedule meetings on Zoom. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to Zoom and you can see at the top the schedule option. Click on that. And here you have to type the name of the meeting like English class. Here you can select the date like October 15th. Okay, set from let's say 10 o'clock to 11:30. Your Zoom basic plan has 4 minutes time limit on meetings with 3 or more participants. So it's this is a important question. So you can upgrade it by clicking the upgrade now, and for some reason it said the desired can be reached. I don't know why is that. So if I select and I'm trying again, I don't know, it's not working, but I'm going to do another video about this then, because this is an important 40 minutes. So all right, let's see then. I don't know. All right, now it's okay. The time zone, you can select the time zone. You can repeat uh, every day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, or every year. Let's see, every week. I said every week, weekly. Okay, and repeat. Repeat forever, or you can select the date when to end the repeat, but I say repeat forever. Use personal meeting ID. You can select this, and it says that if this option is enabled, any meetings option that you change here will be applied to all meetings that use your personal meeting ID. All right, and if you clicked on that, you cannot select the required meeting passcode because it's already selected, and it says that only users who have the invite link or passcode can join the meeting. Here is your passcode, and it says that after scheduling this meeting, the settings you change here will apply to all the scheduled meetings with the personal meeting ID. Okay, I will know that. And enable meeting room. Only users admitted by the host can join the meeting. So you can turn it on and off as well. And the meeting option, host video on, participants video on, so you can select that as well. And here are other advanced features like allow join before host, automatically record meeting, or approve or block entry for users from specific countries or regions. So you can select this as well. And add to calendar. So if you have a Google Calendar or Outlook or something like that, it will add this meeting automatically to your calendar, which is really helpful. So this is how you can schedule a meeting on Zoom. I hope that it was helpful for you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.